We're gonna unbox the Modern Edge dealer kits. You guys should all have some by now. If not, they're certainly on their way. When you open the top, there's a message on the inside of the flap about the countdown begins. Inside, we've got Modern Edge window clings. I think these are static clings, no adhesive necessary to go on dealer displays. Got the Modern Edge promo card, two-sided, some pretty interesting product information and where to go to get into the blog information on the back. You've also got the Modern Edge USB drive. On here is the marketing materials, some product photos, renderings, that kind of thing. There's a sample on what the black is. This is for the aluminum sample. And then you kind of have to weed through some of the packaging material to get to the hourglass. This is the important part. There's a base to the hourglass instruction that's buried down at the bottom. The important part of the base is it has the magnet, and because of the magnet, it makes a pretty cool design as it pulls the shavings down. Another cool part about this with the hourglass is this tag. And this tag has the NFC chip. So all I have to do is put my phone right close to it. It gives me a, do you want to go to this website? And then I push it and I go to the website. And that website's got the Modern Edge video and various other pieces of information. If your phone doesn't have the NFC capability, there's still a QR code. Also, you just take a picture of the QR code and it'll go take you to the website. Black vinyl, coming soon.